What's up, stock trader? We're about to start soon. Give us a few moments. What's up, family? How y'all doing? It's TK Profit back. We're about to do another live session. We hop on at the top of every week. We take a look at the news. We figure out where the volatility will be in the market. And then throughout the week, we execute all our setups and share them live with you guys. So let's go ahead and get right into this session. Let's do it. I was over here working on a book. But yeah. We set a couple of alerts last night. What just happened? We set a couple of alerts last night while taking a look at the charts. One of our alerts just got triggered with Euro JPY, so we're going to wait on the retest to enter in this trade. Let's see. Pound CAD, what happened with that? Oh, okay. So pound CAD just broke. Pound CAD just broke above the highs. That's what just happened. Nice. All right, so we're up 88 pips right there, slightly underneath TP1. So we won't hit the button until we get that TP1 hit, but we are really deep in profit. We got 26 minutes left before this candle closes. And if this candle closes like this, we're actually going to take this area here and add a new position on this trade. Steve, what up? How you doing? So matter of fact, let me go ahead and put this right here. I doubt this thing closes underneath this area within the next 26 minutes, but I'm not going to place that limit order until we see a clear close above. Jawan, what up? So on the weekly time frame, this is a structural level of resistance up here at the highs. That's why we're trading towards that level. Again, we're already in this trade setup. We entered it last week. Oh, you took the trade on this? That's good. Hey, I was just telling everybody, if this 3-hour candle closes like this within the next 25 minutes, you will be able to hold this thing maybe for the rest of the week. This will be a swing trade for us. I'm also going to add another entry right here. So our original entry gave us a 1-to-17 risk-reward ratio on this setup, and this one pretty much does the same thing. So what I like to focus on is getting in at key levels so I can minimize my risk and maximize our gains. All right. So we're in pound CAD. We are in, let me look at this terminal. We're in US 30. Oh, look at that. US 30 dropped back inside. Let's see how this plays out. But we're in profit on US 30 as well. We entered right here at the lows. What else we got open? Pound JPY. These glasses foggy than a motherfucker. Hold on a second. Okay, so we got in pound JPY as well. We hit TP1 on pound JPY. Win! Yeah! Now we need to see how price responds right there at those highs. I believe we'll get a break above, but let's see. I'm gonna set a alert. I'm beating up the mic. Let me set an alert right here above this high. I'm gonna take this alert and move it up here. We're also in, what is that, Euro Pound? Euro Pound dropped during the London session. Oh shit, okay, so we just hit our third TP on Euro Pound. We entered this in last week, so third TP. Win! Yeah, let the smoke go on Euro Pound. Now, this thing still looks extremely bearish. So I'm actually gonna let my last target on Euro Pound run. Let's look at these EMAs, see what we got. Oh yeah, it's not time yet. All right, cool. So let's get rid of this. We got a flag. Let me take the EMAs off. But we got a flag right here. And this is a flag as well. Let's see if price will retest this one first to continue this move to the downside. If so, we are going to add to our sell. So let's put this here. Now, as far as looking for this reversal, I want to wait until my 200 EMA catches up with price. It's really far away right now, so the chances of seeing that reversal is not likely. So we're going to take this continuation of this downtrend, since all of the EMAs show you that the momentum is still bearish. No need to fight against the trend. We're going to keep this thing simple. Wait on the retest right here. We already got a 1 to 4 on this setup. It looks like we're heading to this key level right here. I found this on a higher time frame. I'll trade towards the middle of it. All right, gives us a 1 to 10 there, 1 to 9 here. Got 20 minutes left before this candle closes. Only thing I'll do is set an alert. Let's see. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and place this trade now. What is this? Euro Pound. Go ahead and set this limit order. Right here at this entry point, stop loss. Right above the high. All right, so we got those alerts set. One thing that we do not do is stare at charts. That's how you make a lot of fucking mistakes, okay? So figure out whatever your bias is, use your alerts to help you monitor the trades without staring at them and overwhelming yourself. Looks like this thing might activate. Let me stick around for a couple seconds. All right, so we're in. We just got filled. Just set an alert above the highs to let me know this thing happens to go against us. And that's it. Nothing else we need to do. All right, so it's in profit right now. Let's just, like I said, we're gonna set this alert. Oh, we already got it. SL. We're in profit. Let's let it go and we'll see how it turns out. What else did we see? Okay. Now, if this Euro JPY pulled back, definitely taking that entry. I already got that order set. So let's go. All right, let's see if this retest hold right here. Let me test out that retest. I'm going to add another US 30 entry as well. Oh, shit is moving so fast. Where's our target? Right here. All right, so we just added another US 30 entry. No. Time frame, 15 minutes. All right. So that one's in profit. The other one we just entered is in profit. And this is the thing. Your trade setups, sometimes you may enter them, they go straight in profit. Brittany, what's up? You got your IE now. Sometimes we enter these trades, they go straight in profit. And that's beautiful. It's beautiful when that happens, okay? But the thing is not to get too excited. You need balance so you can learn to allow your setups to fully develop. So right now we just entered those two setups. Both of them are winning. All of this is only possible because of the time that we take in preparation with our mindset, okay? Now, look at that. That's a beautiful fucking reaction right there. Brittany, you just missed, well, not missed, but we just got two trade setups. Both of them are in profit right now. Let me not use that word miss because it always happens. Infinite wins. How was your weekend, Brittany? Jump in. US 30. We already hit TP1. Now we're going for TP1 and 2. If you jump in right now on the US 30 mini, please don't go to the big boy. Go to the US 30 mini. You still got a 1 to 8 risk reward trade set up. Oh, senior prom. Oh yeah, y'all had a lot going on. I stopped by Telly House. They set up something for their teenager and their senior prom as well. But yeah, get in there right now. You got a 1 to 8. Some practice. Get this trade in. Gotta move kind of quick. Now look at that. That is a beautiful fucking reaction on euro pound. But with US 30, Brittany, let me go back. Let me give you my stop loss off my terminal. Okay. I would say, yeah, do the demo. Go through another week so you can get faster because this thing is still moving. So yeah, put that in on the demo. Put that in on the demo. The stop loss that I have on my terminal right now is 40174.25. And then next week, we'll get you in that live account. But just from the trade setups that we took last week that we let run, right now we're up almost 50% of our entire account. Just from a few trades. And that's, damn, that commercial loud. But that's why I like waiting until these structural levels are retested, because this risk reward is everything. If you can get a couple trade setups that are 1 to 8, 1 to 9, and you hit those, man, you don't need to trade all week. I think we had maybe 8 setups last week. We got a lesson on 2 of those setups, and we won the other 6. What's going on with gold? Oh shit, I missed it. Okay. All good. Let me go to a higher time frame really quick. So with gold, I believe on the, what is it? What time frame? At the highs, we have a double top. Okay, right here on the 1 hour, we got a double top at the highs that was not retested. So price is definitely going back there. Let me get rid of these EMAs right quick. We called this sell from spotting something in the market called bearish divergence. And it's real simple. When you look at your RSI, if you start seeing lower highs and lower lows being formed on your RSI, but with price, it's still showing you higher highs and higher lows, this thing is setting up for a reversal. Lenny, what up? So after I saw that, we waited for the retest of this trend line and we took that sell. Massive move. Now, let's get rid of, I actually could have used that. Okay, so now this is the range that this thing is traveling in. So we take out all the guesswork in the market. If this thing breaks this high right here, we're gonna do the same thing that we just did with US 30 to enter in that buy. Which was, we waited on price to break above to give us a few closes. Let me use this path tool, it's a little cleaner. We waited for this, it retested the previous high, and then we got a pullback. Right here at that pullback, we just entered a buy, and we're looking for those highs to be broken. So we use the same concepts, really. Trap price, stop guessing, and let the market dictate what's going to happen as far as the major moves. And sometimes if you do not have your if you do not have range set up correctly, and say like, if you don't go to the higher time frames and confirm those areas, what you could see is a lot of false breakouts. Okay, that's why we love using the higher time frames first. Top down analysis, it always helps. So let's just keep this simple. Bring this alert right here and put an alert beneath. Nothing else we need to do until the bell rings. All right, cool. That position is looking well. Were you able to get into that buy, Brittany? Or laptop acting up. Oh no, Brittany. Yeah, so we got to get all of that stuff right. Matt, what up? We got to get that stuff right, Brittany. So when it's time to push a damn button, you can push the button. Shit, I just bought US 30, Matt. So, oh damn, what did I do? Okay, so right down here at the lows, this is where our original buy is. Okay, let me use this. This is where our original buy is. On the 15-minute, I noticed not only did we have a break of structure, but price retested it. So I just entered to see if this retest right here of this support level, I was going to see, well, not going to see, I entered in right there to see if this will be valid support to continue to push this thing to the upside. So we just entered in another buy on US 30. Right now we're just waiting to see how everything turns out. We got an alert beneath it to let us know how it plays out. We got an alert above. For the people that's trading US 30, you don't have a lot of capital. A lot of these brokers now have the minis. So you can trade the US 30 mini, and that way you can still be a part of the moves, get the exposure with these huge swings without over leveraging on your account, okay? So I'm on the big boy right now, but that's only because we've been swinging for a while. So we'll see how this thing plays out. If this level is respected right here, we got a 1 to 12 risk reward trade setup, which is fucking beautiful. I'm not sure what the risk reward on the other one is. 1 to 11 on this one. And a lot of people are like, oh man, your targets are far away. I'm looking at the higher time frames. So when you look at the higher time frames to identify your setups, you will have further targets versus scalping. So right now, if we close right now, we got a 1 to 5, which is still pretty cool. And if it breaks that trend line to fall, that's exactly what we're gonna do. But for right now, everything looks okay. We just have to let it play out without letting those emotions get involved, and we'll move accordingly. You're gonna start it up at 8 a.m. Appreciate the follow, Matt. Let's see. Yep, US 30 mini. For the guys that want to trade, you don't know where to begin, you can head to our website, ProfitTakerZU.com. We'll actually walk you through setting up your demo account, your live account. We'll show you how to place your trades and monitor the trades as well. So you get access to that Trading Essential bundle.
For everyone on our team. We have a
Hold
lot
on,
of different
commercial. Yeah, so head to the website, get access to that Trading Essential bundle. You also get the free trial to our Mindset series, Structure Breaking, as well. Boom. What's the next 15-minute candle? We got 5 minutes. Okay, 6 minutes to 11 o'clock. That's why I have on at 10:30. Normally in the AM, you'll get a quick move during the open. What is this? Yep. But around 11, that's where it starts going crazy. Now we're doing a market order buy. Not a pending this time. It's already in our zone. So when we're looking for price to pull back to a zone or retest the zone, that's when we use pending orders. Coach JV, what up? When we are already in our zones, that's when we use the market execution orders. The stop loss is 40174.25. And the target is 14387.7. No, the target isn't the same as percentage. The percentage, that's how much we're going to risk on each trade setup. Okay? So you make sure the percentage is at 1%, and you can do 3 different positions using the same coordinates. So the same stop loss and the same target. Ooh, shit. Alright, so with this AUD USD, we're actually waiting for this break above the highs to enter. It did not happen yet, so we're going to continue to be patient on this thing. Big Jeff, what up? Let's see. Type this TP in there. Oh no, the internet hating on me. Okay. We got range being created on pound JPY. What's going on over here with USD JPY? Where's my mouse? Alright. We got a key level right here. If price does not respect this level, we can see a pretty nice sell. This move could be a bear flag right here, so we got to be careful. Looks like all the momentum is still to the downside. Yes, it is. It's on the daily. Okay. On those lower time frames, we got these EMAs catching up, which is really what you want to see. Let's see what happens when price puts a little weight on that. I'm sorry, that 200 EMA touches price. Let's see what happens. candle doesn't look like it was touched. Was it? Might be able to take a sell if this area is retested and price rejects again. Let's see if the risk reward is worth it. If we take it down to the next structural level of support, we got a 1 to 4. So with our risk reward requirements, we won't take the trade unless it's a 1 to 3 or better. Right now we got, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5 winning setups going right now. I guess you got that US 30 in over there, Brittany. We're gonna trade to that double bottom. Okay, bet. Now I'm looking at USDJPY. With this one, I am going to place this limit order.
Did you know that AI is set to create 97 million new jobs by 20?
It looks like pretty much the same setup I was looking at on EuroJPY. Waiting on price to retest here, give us a pullback, and then head towards the lows. So that makes sense. Oh, get out of there. Yes, so for this one, since we are waiting on the area to be retested, it is going to be a pending order. I'm gonna do it on a 3-hour time frame. Let me go to my terminal. Pending sale. All right, that US 30 is turning around, going in profit. Yeah, on the smaller time frames, USD JPY broke structure. So let's see if we can enter in on this retest. All right, so we got a pending sale. Gabby, what up? Young, what up? How y'all doing? All right, we got a pending sale. The entry price is 143.487. This will just be for a couple trades, Brittany. Dropping these coordinates in here. Diego, what up? I definitely won't be doing that often. So that's the entry. Pending and sale, yes. The SL is 143.93. 0.35. What's that target we got? The TP will always be on the bottom of the screen right here. So wherever you see the risk reward ratio tool end, if you look to the right, you'll see the target. So it's 140.506. Okay. We're just gonna let this thing sit pretty much. Now what I see most people do is they'll enter this trade setup right here. Oh no, take that back, don't move mine. Cool. Damn it. Let me just give you a different risk reward ratio too, since that thing is in the way. But what most people do, they'll just enter in the middle of price. They keep their stop loss in the same area, and they'll take the same TP, but what will happen is your risk reward ratio is extremely different. This is less than the 1 to 2. It's going to be extremely hard to win consistently if you're taking trade setups that are less than 1 to 2. Can you do it? Of course you can, but you have to be extremely accurate, and most traders do not have the skill set to do that. So the only thing that I suggest is just taking trade setups that are at least 1 to 3 or better, because you give yourself control. You have the better odds, which means you're in a better position. This, it can start well, but it could also end horribly. Okay.
Why is everyone using Ninja Transfers?
Dude, country as hell. That was funny. I entered the TP in there. Yeah, I did. I put the TP in there. Okay. You see, that's why we wait. So last night we looked at Euro USD as well. This thing is still trapped in range. We had, man, his name slipped me, but we had somebody in that wanted to trade this thing. I was telling you guys what I like to do is pretty much just trap price and wait till you get either a break above or a break beneath. Because what could happen is you can be in this thing taking a bunch of trade setups, but when you go out to the higher time frame, this shit didn't move at all. It's trending within 40 pips. Okay, that is not worth being a part of. So always keep it simple, use your alerts, and get out of your own way. Vez, what up? All right, as far as structurally, nothing is changing over here. So we're gonna go ahead and call it a day. So one thing that I definitely hope that the people that stick around with us, I hope you guys pick this up. I don't stare at the market, and we still have great results. You want to maintain your peace? Don't become a slave to this machine, man, because it'll drive you crazy. Identify your setups, risk properly, and get out of there. Let me get rid of this. Get out of there. So we'll be done for the day. Again, let me drop the link for the Discord in the chat. We share our trades for free just because I'm really big on application, I want you guys to understand how to use everything. Right now, we got 5 trade setups that we're in. Everything is in profit. You go to that website. Let me get my website up for you guys. To get access to that free product, head to our website, ProfitTakersEU.com. Copy this link. We'll let you sign up for free, show you how to take the trades, place the trades, show you how to leverage properly so you can trade live with us. Okay? Now, for the people that would like to join us, we got a different approach for you guys. We like to start with the mindset first. I give the trades out for free because this is the truth. I can give you all winning trades. If your mindset isn't in the right space, you're going to find a way to give it back. So this is more so to show you how important the mindset really is. So you head to our website, you get that Trading Essential Bundle. We're going to start you up for free. We also get the free trial to our Mindset series as well. When you start and you get that Mindset series, Tiffany, what up? You also get our 6-week journal. This helps you guys become more intentional with your words. A lot of traders lose and they speak terribly to themselves, and it causes more issues, more anxiety when it's time to execute the next trade and you have more problems. We also have a few books available on Amazon. 6 Steps to Training with Consistent Results covers the concepts that you get in the live sessions. And we have logbooks, so you can log your trade setups and your emotional state. You have to identify what the problem is so you can know what to fix. We have merch as well, and to join us, you can get that beginner bundle or upgrade to tier 2. But as always, remember, you're only one trade away from living. Why fight to stay the same?